Next, we're going to clone an entire web page from a competitor's website. In the previous video, I showed you the basic AI tools in DXPR Builder that you can use to create a new web page section by section. So for the next scenario, I've been looking at some competitor websites and I noticed that it's becoming a trend to have an enterprise page right in the top level main menu. I didn't notice this trend before, and we do love to sell enterprise subscriptions, so it seems like a good idea to me. So not having thought yet about what we would like to put in this page, cloning an existing page using it as an example seems like an attractive idea. So in this prompt box, this tool only works in empty pages. I'm going to say clone and then the URL of the page. And this process takes a while. What's happening in the background is that our platform is screen scraping the entire page and then turning the full page screenshot into code that the DXPR Builder understands. So it's not as simple as cloning the HTML code of the target web page. There's a whole lot of stuff going on that's what we are waiting for currently. You should also not expect to be the clone to be a visual one-to-one copy of the target page. So the target page will be turned into elements that are recognizable by our website, meaning they'll be turned into cards, sections, rows and columns, and those will look as they are styled by your theme. So as you can see here, we have this card and it has the normal card theming that we expect within our theme. So the next step is to just take a close look at what we got and remove stuff we don't need. So here there's a makeshift placeholder for the contact form. I'm going to remove this as we will later just load our real contact form from the Drupal blocks section, but I'll save that for another video. Okay, what have we got here? This sounds good, I'll keep that. This sounds good. This is interesting. So the DXPR does not offer managed hosting, so I'm going to just delete this section. So here, previous next, maybe it tried to copy, oh wait, this is a slider. Okay, so we got the slider, that's good, carousel. We just want to remove these extra buttons, because we would add those buttons through the settings of our own carousel element. This will be fine for now. I'll do the same here. This looks good, this looks good. This does not look good, so I'll just remove this section. This looks like it should have been the footer section that we don't want. Yeah. So you're not supposed to get the footer, but the system is not perfect and sometimes you get a footer. Okay, so I'll save this. So next, of course, we don't want to publish a page with copy about Webflow. So what I'm going to do is say, rewrite the whole page to be about DXPR instead of Webflow, keeping the structure identical. So now the AI is analyzing the page. It's going to engage in some web search to get all the details about DXPR that it needs. Note I didn't need to put in any context. I trust our platform to do the necessary web searching to learn what it needs to know about DXPR. Okay, and we're writing DXPR Enterprise provides marketing teams with the flexibility, security, and reliability they need to scale innovative web experience that drive growth in the age of AI. Perfect. I was expecting to see some text about Drupal as well. But maybe this page doesn't need that. This looks good, so get a demo. So what's a bit unique about DXPR is that we actually publish all our pricing information, even for the enterprise tier, which is what most other companies hide away into their sales team. So we care about transparency and we just publish it on our website. So I want to publish it on our enterprise page as well. So I'm going to ask the AI to add a section about DXPR Enterprise pricing. And you can include any web link, and the contents of that web link will be used as context for the prompt. Let's keep it concise though. I don't want a whole story about our pricing. So I'm interacting with the main controls of the page, so the AI can make its own decision about where to place the section. I could also scroll down where I want the section to be, add a section, and then interact with that section to ask AI to put it somewhere. So here below the demo, I think that's a fine place to put a pricing section. So the AI decided to do some web search, I guess, to double check that it's got the right pricing information and it's all up to date. Okay, awesome. This is accurate. So it's not perfect, and I see it made a little mistake here. So this should be 30 tickets per month for regular tickets. And priority tickets, those are on an SLA requiring us to respond in 24 hours. We don't give out 30 per month of those specifically. Otherwise, it looks good. So I'm happy with this as a checkpoint. I'm saving the page. And instead of a blank page that I'm staring at, not knowing what to write about our enterprise services, we have an awesome example page that we can continue editing, saving us loads of time.